My mom is upgrading her smartphone again. And my mom hasn't even heard of the front camera. Smile! I think it's fine. Mom, let me see. Hang on, it's not ready yet. I'll add a few filters, some retouching. Here you go. Done. Do you like it? Mom, am I even in this pic? Something is missing. Sharon, honey, come to Mama. What's wrong? Sit over here. Smile and don't move. Sit like this. I just got so inspired. We'll finally have a family portrait. Don't worry, a few hours will be enough for me. Class, write down the topic of today's lecture. Excuse me, I'm Alice's mom, and I really need her to come with me. Of course, if it's that urgent. Mom, what happened? I got us tickets to a BTS concert. I'm coming. Ugh, I have to go to classes again, but I really don't want to. I know. Come here, buddy. Come on, bite me. He won't. I know. A marker will help me out. There you go. More scratches and bites. Mom, help! Sharon, what's wrong? The dog bit me. What is that? A marker cap? Come on, Sharon. Here, put on this dog protection and go to college. Buddy, you set me up. I'm gonna listen to something lit. Mom! I love this BTS song! Let's film a TikTok! And 1, 2, 3! It's a wrap! That's so fire! A FaceTime call? Oh, hi, Mom! Sharon, are you here? Yeah, Mom! Lift your phone up! Sharon, it's your mom! How are you? Are you doing all right? Mom, put your phone higher! Oh, this is pointless! Gotta go! Bye! What? Time to get up already? Good morning! I hate alarms! I almost completed the level. Oh no! Back to square one! Alice, who even plays like that? Watch and learn! Well, this loop goes here. Honey! Mom, did you call me? Want to watch a new movie? No movies! Help me untangle the yarn. Mom, that's boring. Have some patience. I found a nice tutorial online. I have an idea. Alice, I need you. Do you see this ironing board? What? Do I have to iron all of that? Of course not! Hold the phone. Take pictures so it looks like I'm on a surfboard. I'll pick the best one later. Ready, Mom? It turned out great. It's so nice to spend time ironing. There's a lot. It'll take all night. And I'm done. Mom, can you iron my stuff? What? I've been ironing all night. You can iron your own stuff. Kinda like my mom. I'm still a little nervous. Hi, kids! Who wants pizza? Enjoy! Alice, here's your favorite Coke. Actually, I'm a toy gun shooting champion. That's hilarious! Was that a challenge? This means a duel. Stop it! Alice, stay calm. It happens every time. Here's some fresh fruit. And here they are. Come on in, take a seat. What do your parents do? Mom, do you have your own place? Stop it! Sharon! She does this all the time. She won't let me say anything. By the way, I brought an album with her baby pictures. Anything but this! Relax. Tommy would love to take a look at your baby pictures. Yeah, I'm really curious. Mom, put it away. Sharon, relax. And here's her prom. That's it. I'm done. So fast? At least I can have the cake. How can anyone possibly be good at geometry? It's so hard.
Mom.
So what's the problem? Okay, Google. How do you calculate circumference? There we go. Whoops, my phone died. That's okay. You can do your homework tomorrow. But Mom, I need it today. Thanks for the help. I just can't get the hang of it. Is it so hard to put it in plain language? Mom, help me out. I'll help. So, let's begin. Honey, that's wrong. Who writes like that? You were so lucky that your mom used to be a straight-A student at school. She's sleeping already. Oh, Sharon, what would you do without me? Homework is exhausting, no matter how old you are. Kids are so cute when they sleep. Oh, it didn't turn out well. I'll fix this here. And here. Move the bedside table. Now the picture is great. Come on in. Make yourself at home. Whoa! Are these all your pictures?
Oh.
My mom is at it again. Just ignore it. What do we need to read? Hi, I'm Sharon's mom. Look at Sharon when she was a kid. Don't interrupt me. She is so adorable. Super cute. Sharon, where are you going? How can you go outside looking like that? Here, put your hair up. It's so messy. And put a coat on. It's cold outside. And get a hat. But Mom! And a warm scarf. Now you can go. I look amazing. Now I'm ready to go. What?
Oh.
You won't go out wearing this. What's wrong, Mom? Put on this, and this, and this cap. Now it's perfect. Should I go outside like this? Be in trend, baby. I wonder what Mom is listening to. Oh, an audiobook. How boring. Mommy, you could do with some hard rock. Here you go. Honey? I'll make my mom famous. I'll go live and hide the phone over here. Mom's gonna bake a cake. So what do I need? Eggs, sugar, milk. And my signature cake is ready! Sharon's mom is an Instagram star now! Did you like our video? Then comment below which mom you liked the most. The trendy or uncool mom? And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.